Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today we are at IKEA, and their winter clearance sale is going on right now. And guess what, you guys? They have some really great deals on pillow covers. Yes, that's right, I said pillow covers. Now, if you've watched a few of my videos, I know I've mentioned it before. I am someone who loves a good pillow cover, okay? Because sometimes I simply don't want to purchase new pillows, okay? But I want a different look, especially when a holiday has just passed and I'm like, you know what? This pillow is really comfortable, but like it's a Christmas pillow and it's almost spring. I don't want to have to use the Christmas pillow all year round, but if I really like it and I think it's comfy, that's when I'll order a pillow cover, or that's when I'll go in store and shop for a pillow cover. So that's why I wanted to show you guys this winter clearance sale, because you guys, they have so much good stuff, okay? So many different colors to choose from, so many different textures to choose from. I mean, look at the textures on some of these pillow covers, okay? IKEA is not playing when it comes to these pillow covers and options, and I'm here for it, and I wanted you guys to be able to see it before the sale is over, okay? So if you have time this weekend, you might want to run out to IKEA and get these, or you might want to look online, see if you can still order them. But they had pillow covers starting at just $1.99, okay? So if this is something that you like to do, if you like to change up the look of your living room or your bedroom, or maybe even on your outside, like whether you have a patio or a balcony, anywhere where you can change it up and have pillows, you might want to check this stuff out. And like I said, they had so many different options to choose from. Now, what I also like about IKEA is the fact that in the sections where they have like the living room stuff and they have the bedroom stuff, they actually have pillows sitting on the sofas. And you guys, if you're not really thinking about the pillows and you're just looking at the sofas themselves, you might actually just not even realize that the pillows that are on there are all in pillow covers, okay? They are all in pillow covers, and the pillow covers are actually kind of close by them in the area. So if that's something that you are interested in, you might want to actually look around in the sofa section, look in the bedroom stuff, and actually just kind of bring the pillows around and mix and match them and see if they're gonna match your stuff. Like if you have a tan sofa, for instance, maybe you'll want to like see what color pillows they have out there, or maybe just grab one of the pillow covers from downstairs and go up there and look and be like, okay, you know what, if I put this color and this pattern together next to this on this color sofa, how is this gonna look? Or on my bed, how is this gonna look? Okay, so it gives you the opportunity to actually visualize it and see if you really like it on a sofa. You know, maybe you see two different styles, and once you put two pillows on the sofa, you're like, you know what, I feel like I might want to add a third color or a third style. This is your chance to be able to do it in store. And besides, who doesn't love just going around looking at all of the different areas, okay? I love the section with the sofas, the kitchens, the bedrooms, and don't even get me started on the closet areas, okay? So right now, while they have this winter sale going on, it's a great time to look for the pillow covers. Now, also, maybe you don't have pillows that you just want to cover at the moment. Maybe you're like, look, I need some new pillows, and maybe you want some covers too. They have the inserts, you guys. They have inserts on sale. Now, the ones that are on sale, they have some that are on sale that are $1.99 and $3.99 that you're gonna see coming up. Those aren't the thickest of pillows, but they also have some inserts that are a lot thicker as well. So when I say it's giving options, it's definitely giving options. You have thicker or thinner pillows. You have pillow covers in all different sizes, okay? I think I might have said pillow cases a second ago, but you have pillow covers in all different sizes, and it just makes the buying process really simple when you can go in, look at all this stuff, have it hanging up. You know, it's like so convenient. They're hanging up and then they're just right under there if you want to grab one and go, if you want to move them around and all of that. So yeah, here are some of the inserts right here. But all in all, I feel like the sale is really good, especially since it's starting off at $1.99. I mean, that's a really good deal. And I know you can, you know, order some pillow covers from different websites and stuff like that. But what I like about the sale, and for me personally, since it was in store, it's like, okay, you know what, they have some for $1.99. I don't have to worry about paying for shipping and all that other stuff. So very convenient for me. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna let you vibe out, listen to some more music. So you'll see a few more pillow inserts right here, and then I'm going to be showing you guys what is upstairs, like actually sitting on the sofa, so that you can get a visual of that too. And I'll pop back in with you guys in just a few.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked.
Alrighty, you guys, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this look at what's in IKEA. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with someone. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
The cherry on top. Be one of the things